Boat users, both commercial and leisure, are becoming more aware of the pollution being inflicted on our oceans. There's increasingly more visible signs, particularly from the sort of rafts of plastic across the ocean, but there are less visible signs beneath the surface. Marine wildlife plays a vital part in keeping our planet healthy. There's a vast ecosystem which many species across our world's food chain ultimately relies on. Unless we help to protect it, there will be a greater irreversible effect across our oceans. We can choose to protect our environment by using alternative cleaning products to the nasty chemicals we've been using over the years. At Ecoworks Marine, our products are made up of a very careful selection of microbes and enzymes, as well as other naturally derived ingredients.